Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus steering wheel. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and wait at least 2 minutes. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment. Also, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you start working. This makes reinstallation much easier later on. With safety precautions in place, it's time to address the airbag. Look for 2 small access holes, usually on the sides or back of the steering wheel. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the airbag clips. Gently pull the airbag away from the steering wheel and carefully disconnect its electrical connectors. Remember to handle the airbag with care. Now that the airbag is safely removed, you'll see a large center nut holding the steering wheel in place. Use an appropriately sized socket wrench to loosen and remove this nut. Before pulling the wheel off, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the steering shaft. This ensures proper alignment when you put it back. Then, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. When you're ready to reinstall, ensure the steering wheel is perfectly centered on the shaft, aligning any marks you made. Reconnect all electrical connectors firmly and securely. Finally, tighten the large center nut to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Double-check everything to ensure a safe and proper reassembly. You've successfully learned how to remove your Ford Focus steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.